Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyocha. The time now is 10:57 p.m. Wednesday. Want to do midweek update. Sorry that I made it lately. I could not do it in the morning. Nevertheless, it's still helpful. So I will combine both crypto, forex, some commodities, and so on. So I will be fast about it. I want to be. I want my videos to be short these days. Okay. I start DXY. In DXY, we are going up. We are going. The DXY is going up as per our last forecast. Okay. We likely have a drop. We likely have a drop to get either a running flat or an expanding flat. Okay. Then we likely get a drop. Something like this. Either a running flat or expanding flat, so that and continue going up. So this is what I expect to happen on DXY. Okay, so notice showing you daily chart. On daily chart, you can see that this channel has been broken, and our next target is around 95, 94, 95. So excuse me, it will be a long term buy. So until then, we keep watching how it develops, but nevertheless expect a pullback before the buying continues. The next is EUR/USD. EUR/USD is opposite of DXY. EUR/USD is opposite of DXY. So in daily, on daily, we are looking for the price to drop towards 1.6, 1.7, 1.6. This is our expectation. So in 4 hours, you can see the broken channel, and the price is going as we forecasted. In my last analysis, I made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hopefully we're gonna have it drop either like this or similar thing will happen. Okay, you can see 1 hour. I did this to show you that we're gonna have an uptrend. It happened the way it happened, and the market is going down right now. So we will likely have a price push up a little, then the drop will continue. The drop continues. Okay. JPY. JPY. We expect the price to break this channel, though not right now. You can see this is a daily candle. It's going up for a long, since October, since November 2020. It has been going up. So once it breaks this channel, it will drop heavily. But now let's go to forward to see what we have very soon. Okay, in 4 hours, what we expect in 4 hours is maybe within the range, kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let's wait and see. We may not have this up move, but the message we have there is that you keep on to watch the next buy. So wait for the price to drop towards this trend line before you buy. Then after the buy, we look for sell. Let's go to 1 hour to see what we have here. So in 1 hour, you see, to have this up move is possible, but for now we keep watching it. So what I try to say is that do not buy from here. Watch, let the price come down to this line again before you buy. A buy from here is a good buy. A buy from here is a good buy. So let's keep watching how the price develops towards this trend line. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, in my opinion, the price, the sellers has exerted their strength around this area. So right now, buyers are trying to take control, at least momentarily. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, after this triangle, this broken trend line, the price will still go down further. Let me go to 1 hour to see it in a clearer picture. So I expect the price to drop further to 1.5453 area. So I expect a further drop, though it may retest this trend line again, but to buy is not now. Wait for price to drop further around 1.54 before we look for buy. So that's the message, and that's my analysis. The next pair is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, we are looking for buying opportunity. In my opinion, sellers has lost the battle this place. So I'm only looking for buying opportunity. In 4 hours, we can see the price broke the trend line. Since then, it's dropping gradually. So now, what do we expect? I don't think we will see a deeper selling before buyers returns. Let's see 1 hour. In 1 hour, what we will likely do, we may have something like this. Something like this may happen. Then price continue goes down to go down. So sellers are still selling in temporal mannerism. So let's wait for it to the sellers to exhaust their strength. Right? So we wait for maybe a little push up, a further down, maybe around this area, around 1.65, 1.64. Then buyers will continue. So I don't expect a big sell this time around. I'm looking for buy. Eurochef, the price is getting nearer to our blue box. Will it get into the blue box before it begin to go up? Likely, it will likely get into the blue box. Let's check 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we have another channel going down. So in this channel, we might keep seeing buying opportunity. This can provide another buying opportunity. The market can consolidate inside here, break down, and then come into the blue box before we see buyers. All right. So the selling area is no longer huge, which means be patient and wait for sellers to continue their business. Once you see a buy setup inside the blue box, then we will buy. Okay. The next pair is Euro card. In Euro card, Euro card is dropping. In our analysis, this channel was here in our analysis, and I told you I am expecting a further drop. You can see is dropping, and I think it will be a last drop before buyers will continue to buy. So let's go to 1 hour. In 1 hour, you can see how it goes. It didn't touch the upper trend line, but we has a kind of consolidation, and the price is still going down. Okay, so the sell, we are still looking to sell at least 50 to 100 pips before we think about buying. Okay. Euro pounds. Let's go to daily to see a bigger picture of Euro pounds. Euro pounds, sellers could no longer push it further down. It has been going down in a way I don't understand, but now it seems they are no longer have the strength to maintain the selling. Then the buyers appeared, and I'm looking for buy. This is a 5 ways pull up. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is A, B, C. Now this ABC will likely be either a running flat or expanding flat. So let's watch and see whether it will end something 0.857, 0.858. So let's watch and see. But what I'm trying to say is that we are looking for buy either from here or maybe a little deeper. So we are looking for buy Euro JPP, because we will likely see another 5 ways up after this ABC finishes. Okay, so do we go to 1 hour? Any need for that? I think no need for go to 1 hour. Just it's forming a kind of trend. Okay, the trend, how long will the trend last? I don't know. So maybe the market will still move inside this trend before we get a buy. Okay, the next is USD card. USD card is due for buy, but the strength is not there. Canadian dollar is too strong for US dollar. So maybe we have a little. We will likely have another push down. I think we will get this before going down, but it seems we will not. So in any case, the selling is no longer that strong, so no need to sell from here. Rather, you wait to enter buy in 1 hour time frame when we get a buy setup, but not now. So I will advise you to look for other pairs to trade and leave USD card for now. USD JPY. In my analysis, when price was here, I told you to enter buy if you don't have an open position, and since then the market is going up, and I know it's gonna go up. It will continue going up because this pullback is all we expect to happen. So maybe it will likely keep going up towards 11111, towards the 111.5, 112. So watch out. In 1 hour, we can see something like this, something like A, B, C. The C might end a little below the end of wave A. It might be deep. In any case, after whenever you see another sharp drop like this, look for buy. Whenever you see another sharp drop like this, whether it is deep or not, we look for buy. And when you buy, target 111.5. Okay. Euro chef, sorry, USD chef. USD chef. We are also looking for buy, but the buying is delaying. The buying is delaying. In any case, do not sell. But once the price goes above this trend line properly, then look for buy. And the buying, our target is 96.5 to 97 is our target area. When we get the buy we are looking for. AUD USD. AUD USD, we are buying. It's buying and nothing more. Let me go down to 1 hour. Okay. The two scenarios you have in 1 hour is that this can give us an this can try to make an ABC. A B C. So the ABC is my my first bias. That is the bigger A B C. My first bias. Then my second bias is a smaller A B C, which means we will likely we will see something like this, a drop like this. Then the price will begin to go up again. So two things is important. Now, if you are buying AUD USD, your stop loss will be here. This and like this stop loss. So my first bias is that we get a drop, but not deep. Then price will go up. Okay, so wait for this drop. When you see it, you may consider buying from here. But even if it goes deep, know that it will kill your stop loss. So in that case, if we get a sharp drop, look for buy setup. If you don't see a buy setup, if it keeps going down, don't buy until it closes below this place. After that, you can buy, because if you get a buy setup here, stop loss will be here. But don't buy blindly. If you buy blindly from here, stop loss might be taken out. If the price decide to correct deeply before going back to where it was going. Gold. In gold, in our last analysis on gold, I said something about the price. I said something about this area. You can see I'm looking for 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm still expecting the price to touch this, at least come near this zone. That is 1800, 1810, 18. Okay, so it's touch 1800 anyway. I'm looking for it to come to 1807, 1808 to 1810. Then a 3 waves pullback. After that, the buyers will take control. Right now, you better wait. Let us wait for 2 things. Either we see a sharp move above this area, look for buy, or if the market continues to be slow, wait for you to reverse around this area, give us 3 waves pullback around this area, then we buy from this area. Okay, let's move to silver. In silver, silver has already completed the its wave 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So silver, maybe silver will first come to our buy level. So once silver drops to around this area, we look for buy. Okay, New Zealand US dollar. In New Zealand US dollar, you see this line, it has been there. I tell you to expect a price to break this channel, test this before going up. Now it has happened. What we have to do now is look for buy entry. If you didn't buy from this place, maybe you pray we have another drop. Okay, if you get another drop, you can buy. If not, wait for something like this to happen, wait for a clear break of this area, then you buy. Okay, but there's no need, there's no selling. I don't see any selling bias on New Zealand USD for now, so it is all buy. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, in my analysis, I told you this will happen, that we may get A, B, C. The difference that it didn't go deeper as I expected, but you can see we have an A, B, C. So the buying has started. I don't have anything to sell again. Even if we get another drop, it will still not come as deep as this place. So buy. For now, no need. I don't see any reason to sell. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. I think we're gonna go into the blue balls, but two things is involved. One is we will still get into the blue balls if this trend is broken sharply. We will still get into the blue balls. Two, the pullback has ended here. If that is the case, it means this is 1, this is 2, then maybe 3 will kick off after a slight drop. That is, we might have a kind of this type of move. Okay, not so deep. It may just come below this place, then buyers will take up. So we may not get into the blue balls, we may still get into it. So it depends on the type of move we get. If we get this type of move again, then we will see it into the blue balls. If not, if the move is shallow, we will not, and the price will continue to go up from there. The next is pound sterling. In pound sterling, if we get a break of this low, then expect the pair to come to the blue balls, which is between 1.24 and 1.23. So if not, we will likely take up from here, but it will be an odd swing if the price keeps going up from here. So I expect an A, B, C. So I haven't seen the B. And the chances is that 90% chances that it will drop before we buy. Okay, so watch out for the drop. Pounds card. In pounds card, when the price was here, I told you we will have a push up, then a sell. It happened, but not it didn't go the way we think. It moved, it reversed sharply, but now it's coming back. Let's see 1 hour. In 1 hour, you can see that the selling is still not yet late. We can still get the drop we are looking for. So look for once more, a drop once more. Then after that, the price will go up. So let's keep watch. So what I'm saying is that before you buy, let it drop once more. I don't encourage this sell. Though you can sell it, but you know it is 1 to 2 RR, which is a good trader anyway. Okay, but I don't like trading this type of trade. I want to trade it from here down here. Okay. The next is pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. It has broken our channel and it's coming back to it. Will it still go deep? Let's see 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour, I am of the opinion that something like this will happen. This type of move will happen. Okay, this is what I see on 1 hour. So watch out for it. Whether it will happen like that, maybe it's 80/20 it will happen. Okay, let's move on. Pounds as usual is not making anything reasonable. The only reasonable thing I see that we have a drop and it will give us a new low. That's the only reasonable thing I can see it trying to do. We have a new drop and it will give us a new low. Then after that, we can now talk about buying. Okay? So let's wait to see if we have the new low or not. Let's wait and see if we have the new low or not. Okay. Pounds AUD. In pounds AUD, the up move did not get to our target, though it can still get to our target before we get a sell. But for now, I don't see a trade yet, whether it will go up or go down. Maybe let me take one daily. In daily, the market is squeezing. In 4 hours, okay, now this is what I think will happen. This is what I think will happen. So let's see if the market will move within the channel. So if it moves in the channel, it means we're gonna have something like this. A, maybe B here, and the C. Then the buyers will continue from here. So expect maybe sometimes the market may take time inside this channel. Let's see how it works. The next is New Zealand card. New Zealand card. What do we have? I'm looking for wave C, A, B, C. Let me go to 1 hour and sort of daily and see the. Okay. We are looking for a big. After this protracted, after this long time sideways buying, the price is trying to give us an ABC. So the let me use this. This is 0. The big ABC is what we are looking for. The bigger ABC. How will it happen? Okay. Sorry. So I'm looking for a bigger ABC for now. So, but you know, this is daily chart. Let's go to 4 hours to see what we likely have. So in 4 hours, this wave B might not be over yet. This wave B might not be over yet. So what I'm trying to say, we may see the price do something like this, go above this current high, then come back to give us the wave C we are looking for in a bigger time frame. Okay, do we go to 1 hour? Let's go. So in 1 hour, you can see the buyers will likely take the price very far away, because this move is a sign of no strength. Okay, so let's watch and see. But our main focus is on daily. On daily, this type of move is what we are expecting. It might have started to happen from here. It might not have started. So let's watch out how it goes. The next pair we will talk is about USD ZAR. USD ZAR like a GBP ZAR. Let's go to 4 hours. I'm still looking to have a drop to give us a new low. I would like to see a new low before I begin to buy. So that's what I see in the structure. Okay, a new low is possible. Okay, so let's go to other page. Somebody made a request that I analyze oil. So let me go to that oil before I go to cryptos. So in the oil, you can see it's dropping. The dropping, will it be huge? Will it end at the trend line? I don't know. So in my opinion, oil is good to sell. If we get something like this type of move, then we sell oil towards 65. Let's see 4 hours. So this, uh, in my opinion, this trend will be broken and price will drop. And maybe the price will drop lower, maybe to somewhere here, 63, 64 or 65, before we talk about buying again. So, or maybe it may delay and give us another move up. But I don't think I don't think it will delay this time. Okay, it's been going up for a while. Okay, now I want to go to cryptos. I have to skip some pays. S&P, US. Okay, let me just touch them. US 100 is dropping already. So it the wave 5, we think it will go up anyway. The wave, this dropping will likely be part of wave 4. So this wave 4, we might be wrong by placing it here. So the wave 4 might go deep, because this dropping will not end here. It will drop furthermore. So if you are trading US 100, you have a reason to sell again. Maybe, okay, let me go to 1 hour to tell you why you will likely sell again. So I assume that this is an A, B, then C will happen. If the C happens, then you sell from here downwards. So this is an A. Oh, if this C happens, A, B, C, okay, then we sell. After selling, what next? The buy continues. So this wave 4 might still come down. Okay, it means wave 4 is not yet over, and after that wave 5 will continue. Okay, so let me so that's it. The next, before I go to crypto, US30, they are doing similar thing. US30 is still going up, but expect a drop. So if you didn't buy it around this place, don't buy now. Let's have a drop before you buy. S&P 500, okay, it's still going up, but if you are not in the buy, wait for it to at least move to the middle. Maybe if you see something like this, we buy again. If you see a sharp move, we move towards the lower part of the trend line. So in 1 hour, I don't see the move. I don't see the price going that deep for now. Maybe, but at least I will likely see another drop. It may not be deep, but another drop will happen before we talk about buying. Now in cryptos, I don't know if I make the video of crypto separately. Okay, for those who do not trade forex, who trade only crypto, let me end this video and they do crypto separately. Okay, so I'm gonna end.